You are going to love the 2023 MINI Hardtop 2-Door. The MINI Hardtop 2-Door delivers motoring thrills in a nimble, fuel-sipping package. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Hardtop 2-Door lots of fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
MINI certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled MINI technicians. MINI certifies their vehicles in one of two ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your MINI has been reconditioned with 100% genuine MINI parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the MINI certified pre-owned program.